welcome to the video. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Levi the Giant. Hello. So today's video, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go hit up a waterfall. Isaac told me about this really awesome waterfall that right around the area, and I think that's pretty cool. It's a little late in the day, so it may get dark walking back, but that just adds to the fun and charm of nature. The scary part of nature, that is. Bam, just like that, we made it. Look behind me on the ground though. Can you believe it? Up at higher elevations, it's actually cold enough to where it's starting to snow. We hadn't encountered that yet, but I foresee within the next week or two, it's gonna start getting cold. So I'm about to go on a hiking trail. Isaac told me it was a pretty long one, leads to a waterfall, and on the trip back, it's probably gonna be dark by then. So I came prepared, got my water, got my flashlight this time, and I'm ready for an actual adventure. This is gonna be pretty cool. So from here on out, I think what I wanna do with this video is I'm just gonna let the trail, the video, the moving pictures, as you will, I'm gonna let that tell the story. Folks, you know I'm a talker. I could not resist. I am absolutely in love with this vantage point right here. This is beautiful. I love that the fog in the background adds a mysterious atmosphere over to the waterfall. Absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna continue our trail this time. No more interruptions. We're gonna try to get closer. It's scary. Oh, there's no way. Oh, goodness. Saved. So coming up, oh, I wish I wasn't coming up. Going down wasn't a problem. Coming up, I think I might have to sleep here for the night, guys. So that looks like to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed our trek through nature, that waterfall from several different points of angles. And I must say that that was not the smartest thing to do. In the video, I'm going down to get a closer up look at the waterfall, as close as I can get. Well, that dirt, that mud was muddy. So I basically climbed down and potentially risked hurting myself to get that shot. I was scared. I will not lie. I don't have the proper shoes to even be climbing and doing what I'm doing in the first place. So that whole track was down, get closer, was a little dangerous. But I hope you guys loved the angle. I loved that waterfall. It was absolutely gorgeous. Altogether, would love to come out here again in the future with friends. And this is somewhere I would like to show people if I ever had that opportunity. It was awesome. Another thing that I learned, I don't know why, but I kept getting moisture on my mustache and beard. There's moisture right now. My whole beard is wet. So, you know, when they show those scenes where a man who's walking through a frozen, like ice scape, he'll have his whole facial hair, his whole face frozen in ice. For some reason, we generate moisture on our facial hair. I was always wondering, I thought it was fun, but I never thought deeper into that. So that's a pretty cool thing I learned today. All right, guys. Well, we're making it back to the bus now. Absolutely 8 out of 10. The other 2 points because I'm not physically fit and that wore me out. But I hope all you guys enjoy the video. Thank you for stopping along and traveling with me on my journey. Hopefully, you know, this was an enjoyable video. It was a little different this time, and I gave you pure nature. So let me know what you think about that in the comments below. Do not be afraid to comment. It does help me with the YouTube algorithm as well. Even if you just go down there and say hi, I'll love it. But on that note, guys, I hope that you all have an absolutely wonderful day, morning, night, evening, midnight, lunch, breakfast, dinner, lunch, Leonard, and all that good get jiggy with the jazz, and my favorite, the midnight snack. But either way, I will catch you in my next video, and I hope that all of you have the most bestest and absolutely most wonderfulest day you can have. Catch you guys next time. Bye-bye.